My dear friends, always remember, whenever you are going to start a business or drive an organization, so normally you need a CEO, Chief Executive Officer. But I must tell you that what change I felt in my life, that every organization needs a CVO also. What is CVO? Chief Visionary Officer. You must have a vision for your work, whatsoever you are doing. So, if you are having a CEO, your work will be a finite work. But when you are having a CVO, your work will be infinite. Why? Because in finite work, you stop because you got profit, you got what you wanted. But when you are having a CVO, you can never stop, because vision is something very different from calculation. Vision is what? That if I am working in my life, so I was working sometime before for money, for name and fame. There I was CEO, but I started meditation, and when I became CVO, I got that my work is infinite now. I am working for the betterment of society, for the happiness of all human beings, for the ecstasy, and for the last but not the least, vitality, liveliness and compassion.